The Samsung Odyssey G9, G91F offers a massive 49-inch super-ultra-wide experience designed to replace dual monitor setups with one seamless screen. It packs a 144Hz refresh rate and sharp Dual QHD resolution to handle both intense gaming and complex workflows. Check the link in the description for the best price. Here is how the panel performs across gaming and work environments. The deep curve and ultra-wide aspect ratio create a wraparound field of view that pulls you into the game world. The seamless screen makes managing multiple windows and complex software timelines far more efficient than using two separate monitors. The high refresh rate keeps gameplay fluid and responsive, providing a clean motion experience even during fast-paced action sequences. Highlight clarity is improved across the panel, though it does not quite reach the deep black levels seen on OLED alternatives. This monitor delivers a fantastic, highly immersive experience for both gamers and professionals. We evaluated whether the cost matches its utility for your specific needs. It offers significant value by consolidating what would be a complex dual monitor setup into one clean, high-performance display. Adaptive sync and high refresh rates ensure demanding PC games run smooth, justifying the investment for high-end gaming builds. For professionals dealing with long timelines or complex multitasking, the single-window real estate provides unmatched value every single day. You gain the massive form factor and signature Samsung quality without jumping to the most expensive top-tier refresh rates. The value proposition remains strong for users who prioritize continuous screen space over multiple monitors. Consider these physical and technical requirements before your final purchase. The wide footprint and curvature mean you need a deep desk to maintain a comfortable viewing distance from the panel. Some games and console platforms may require adjustments, as not every title is optimized for the ultra-wide aspect ratio. Driving this many pixels at high refresh rates is demanding, requiring a powerful graphics card to maintain smooth performance. Samsung provides a stable support infrastructure, which adds peace of mind for an investment of this size. Plan your setup carefully regarding desk space and graphics performance to avoid common frustrations. The G91F stands out as a powerful tool for those needing an expansive, bezel-free canvas for work and play. While you need a robust graphics card and a deep desk to really make it work, the visual payoff is significant. It is a top-tier choice for enthusiasts who want to blend high-end gaming with a serious productivity edge.